Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2003 Triumph Bonneville T100. This motorcycle has 17,400 miles on it roughly, and we'll be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. This bike is still really clean and sharp looking. Tires appear to be in good shape. Looks like there's some miles left on them. It's got aftermarket front signals, bar end mirrors. It's had a very minor tip over here on the right hand side, which kind of chewed up the one mirror just a little bit. It's got an air intake, pipes, a comfort seat, and aftermarket rear signals. The rear tire as well appears to be in good shape. Looks like there's some miles left on that. And again, the aftermarket pipes, a saddlebag mount support, I guess you could call it, and the bar end mirror. And last but not least, our front signal again. All right. 17,333 is what's on it. I gotta set the camera down here. This 2003 Triumph Bonneville T100 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.